Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're taking flight with one of the best budget-friendly GPS drones in the sky, the Ameta S20 Pro 4K UHD drone. Designed for both beginners and enthusiasts, this ultralight drone packs an impressive list of features that rival even more expensive models, and the best part, it weighs under 249 grams, so you can fly without registration in most regions. Let us start with what matters most: the camera. The S20 Pro comes equipped with a 4K Ultra HD lens that captures crisp photos and smooth, stabilized video footage. You can record scenic landscapes, city skylines, or epic travel moments in stunning detail. The camera's adjustable angle lets you easily frame your shots mid-flight through the app, giving you full control from takeoff to landing. Speaking of control, this drone integrates GPS-assisted flight for improved accuracy and stability. Features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Auto Return Home make piloting effortless even for total beginners. Lose signal or battery, the drone automatically returns to your starting point safely, no stress, no crashes. Powering this experience is a brushless motor system, delivering smoother performance, faster response, and less noise compared to traditional brushed motors. These motors extend flight life and are more efficient, meaning you get longer and more reliable flying sessions. The Ameta S20 Pro also features dual modular batteries, offering up to 50 minutes of total flight time. That's nearly double the runtime you'd expect in this price range, perfect for uninterrupted exploration or content creation. Another standout feature is altitude hold, which keeps the drone hovering steadily for stable photography and videography. Combined with headless mode, it's ideal for new pilots learning control orientation. Its compact design and lightweight build make it travel-friendly and portable, easily fitting into a backpack. Whether you're exploring the outdoors, filming your adventures, or gifting someone their first drone, the S20 Pro delivers outstanding performance and ease of use. If you're ready to capture the world from above without breaking the bank, the Ameta S20 Pro drone is absolutely worth checking out. Grab it on Amazon today, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more honest, hands-on gadget reviews every day.